AI generated videos are getting so good, it's almost impossible to separate it from real life. I want you to check out this video I just generated using OpenArt.
Are you mad? चलती गाड़ी से मेरा फोन बाहर फेंक दिया। खुद ही तो काम करते रहता है हर वक्त। रिलैक्स, मजाक था। हर चीज फनी नहीं होती। तू कूल बनने के चक्कर में कुछ भी करेगा क्या?
Now this is the iconic Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara scene, but I want you to observe two things. Number one, both of our faces are exactly the same throughout the entire video. Number two, every scene is consistent. The car in the background, the weather, the sand, the heat, everything stays the same. And that's the level of precision and realistic videos that you can create with OpenArt Director. It's almost like we are living in a world of vibe directing. Instead of having expensive cameras and shooting locations and hiring people, you can simply use OpenArt Director, type what you want, and it can create videos up to 5 minutes. I'll show you how to use OpenArt Director to create any video that you want, and then I'll show you the best way to make money with AI using OpenArt Director and selling AI generated videos to companies around the world. Let's get right into it. So this is openart.ai. You can simply create your account and this is what you'll see. OpenArt is like your AI content production engine that works for you, helps you generate any type of movies, clips, AI generated ads, and a lot more. Now we need to look at Director, which is the best way to create cinematic looking videos, which are up to 5 minutes of length, which has scene to scene consistency. You can upload multimodal assets. So it accepts text, image, audio, video, music, and you can also lip sync with up to 8 languages. You can also upload your own brand assets to ensure that every logo and image is on brand. So this is a prompt I've added. Let's make a 60-second cinematic short film. Young man in Bangalore, late 20s, quiet and thoughtful, working alone at night, coding, failing, trying again, standing on a rooftop at dawn, looking at the skyline, and then I can just click on enter and let's see what it creates from just one single prompt. So you can see how it is trying to create the movie before it even creates it. So it says before sunrise, this is the script, this is the character's name is Arjun, this is the storyboard. So this is basically how it will work. I'll just click on save and confirm. And now it will start executing and actually creating the video for us. Okay, 10 minutes in and we have created an entire sheet for the character. So this is Arjun, this is the face, this is the side view, this is the front view, this is the expressions. I just love how in-depth this is. These are all the locations where our character will be going in. So now if this looks good, we can approve and it will actually proceed to create our film. Okay, let's try playing this video now. I love the slow music. Wow. It looks so real, like just look at it. But that's not it. The real power of OpenArt Director is in prompting and asking it to make changes to the video it just created. So I'll just say add a Hindi voiceover in the last 15 seconds about building quietly before anyone believes in you. And let's see what it comes up with. See, this is the moment that I'm talking about. Just like we had vibe coding in which you can create any app by simply typing in English, you can finally create cinematic grade videos which are consistent by simply typing English and just expressing what you want it to make. Wait for a few minutes and there you go, an insane video ready. This is like a complete AI studio. Look at this. You can add any shot, you can add any type of music, voiceover, captions that you want to over here, just like you would in a video editing software. Then you can view every single scene one by one and you can add new scenes to it. You can even look at every shot that it is creating. You can recreate that shot, you can modify this video, you can extend the video, upscale the video, you can grab a particular frame. Like, it never limits you with any option. It literally equips you with all the tools you need to create cinematic movies. Now you can actually use this and you can lower the volume of the background music so you can actually hear what the person is saying. Let's play this now.
चुपचाप बनाते रहो उन रातों में जब कोई यकीन नहीं करता, क्योंकि हर सवेरा पहले अंधेरे में ही रचा जाता है.
Wow. Amazing. With just one prompt, I now have voiceover at the end of the video. So that's how you create cinematic grade videos by simply talking to OpenArt Director. But the real money making opportunity here is to use it to create AI generated ads, create UGC ads, create product ads, and then sell it to businesses around the world. Let me show you how it works. So we will create a new director and let's add a prompt for creating a 20-second commercial. So this is the prompt: create a 20-second cinematic product ad for luxury fragrance called Noir. Glass bottle catching the light, slow motion, high contrast. So let's see what it comes up with. The biggest challenge with AI generated videos is consistency, and that is what OpenArt Director solves for you, which means you can now create cinematic grade AI ads. There are two types of ads. You can either create a product ad, which I'm showing you right now, or you can create an AI UGC ad. Now, traditional agencies will charge you anywhere between 1 to 3 lakh rupees for creating a single ad like that. You can cut short all of that by simply using OpenArt Director. I want it to be a vertical video. I will keep it 720p light, and let's see what this comes up with. So this is a storyboard. I can see that there's going to be a woman. There's going to be some voice. There's going to be a hall, and then there's going to be a bottle. Let's see what it comes up with. So you come in as an AI ads creator, take all of their branding assets, drop it all into Fable on Claude and generate real story ads. Then drop those ad concepts into OpenArt Director and watch it generate insane graphics. You can watch it create amazing ads which are on brand with every scene being consistent. And then you can start selling it to them for anywhere between 6 to 10,000 rupees and do multiple of these ads every single day. Just imagine how much you can make by just doing this. There are not just D2C brands, there are cafes around you. There are so many brands around you that would love to take advantage of these AI generated ads that look so real. This is what the women will look, and now we can just click on looks good. Just look at the Noir product ad that we have now. Look at how consistent the woman is, the background sound. I just love how it looks. Here's an example of a UGC style prompt. So I'll just say, create this UGC style ad for a coffee brand. Relatable young Indian creator holds the product and talks straight to the camera in a real bedroom setup. Natural phone camera look. Let's see what it comes up with. And this is the script for our UGC ad. This is Ananya, early 20s Indian woman. And this is the honest hook. Ananya's bedroom, daytime. This is the proof and the sign off. And here is the UGC ad that we were trying to create. Look at the dialogues.
3 deadlines back to back. I've been up since 6. This one, cold brew.
This is honestly insane. And you can create these videos every single day, multiple of them on brand at scale for any brand out there, and start making money from your home with the help of OpenArt. Now, the most effective way to use OpenArt Director to start making money with AI videos is to get the Wonder plan that they have. On the annual, it is $175. Now, you can use the link in the description of this video to get a 15% off on this monthly Wonder plan. And you can start generating videos. You get over 106,000 credits every single month for creating AI videos on OpenArt with the Wonder plan. So check out the link in the description and start making videos and make the dream of vibe directing real in 2026. I'll see you in the next one.